understand the errors related to concrete. There are several types of issues that can directly impact the strength and durability of concrete structures. Since we live and work in buildings made of concrete, it's essential to understand these issues, identify their root causes, and take corrective measures. Often, these problems are overlooked, which can lead to unexpected and significant poor quality cost. Concrete cracks. Understanding different types of cracks is crucial for providing the right solutions. Foundation settling cracks. These cracks occur when the ground beneath the concrete sinks, usually due to improper soil leveling or soil erosion. For example, soil where a tree has been removed and the roots are decomposing, a utility trench that has been refilled but not properly compacted. Though the official cause was yet to be determined, this Chennai-based incident where a building was constructed over a lake serves the stark reminder of the importance of proper soil conditions and leveling. A stable and properly prepared foundation is vital for the strength and durability of the structure. Expansion cracks. These cracks usually form due to extreme temperature fluctuations, such as high heat, leading to what is commonly known as thermal cracking. They can also be caused by improper placement of expansion joints. While these cracks may not initially compromise structural strength, they can allow water to seep into the concrete, which may lead to other types of damage. Proper installation and the use of expansion joints can help prevent these cracks. Heaving cracks. Opposite to settling cracks. Heaving cracks occur when the ground beneath the concrete expands or swells, causing the slab to push upward. It could have caused due to frost heave, tree roots, changes in groundwater levels, plumbing errors, prolonged precipitation. Re-entrant corner cracks. These cracks are a form of shrinkage that occur when concrete is poured around corners or rounded objects like manholes. As the concrete shrinks, it does not do so uniformly around these objects, resulting in long cracks radiating outward. To prevent this, control joint should be properly cut. Other types of cracks include overweight cracks caused by excessive load on the structure, cracks due to chemical reactions resulting from chemical processes within the concrete or its environment. Understanding these common issues and addressing them promptly is key to maintaining the integrity of concrete structures and avoiding costly repairs in the future. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss other types of concrete issues such as corrosion and explore a systematic quality assurance approach to prevent these problems. Till then, we will sign off with good vibes.